Hi, welcome to Fiber Love Diary. I'm Trish if we haven't met, and the ring light is literally freaking me out. Are you serious? Hi, welcome to Fiber Love Diary. I'm Trish if we haven't met, and if we have met, welcome back. How are you? Here we are in the studio. News. It's my birthday. I've been gone a couple weeks. We've just had stuff going on, which many of you know. I'm not gonna go into it, but here I am. It's my birthday. It's for real. It is really my birthday. I turned 48 today. And to celebrate 48 years on this planet, Paradise sent me these subscription packages. I'm just kidding. I get these every month. I went to change the oil in my car, came back and said, hey, guess what? Your Paradise stuff showed up today. So here we are. We're gonna open one. I am so excited. And look at this cute packaging. It has white, I mean, I would say these are Cosmos. I'm sure that there is an expert botanist out there who watches that can tell me, but looking at them, I see Cosmos. And also, I don't know what their botanical name is. Let me get out a scissors. I'm standing right in front of the scissors drawer. Usually I'm not that prepared, as you know. So this is the April subscription package. Oh, okay, important info. Tomorrow is April 8th. On the 8th, I will be picking the winner for the Brother Drum Carter that I'm giving away to celebrate the fact that we hit 10,000 subscribers. I've had it probably since we hit 6,000-ish, so a really long time. And I'm so ready to send it to one of you guys. I will link the video below. All you have to do to enter is make a comment on that video below. So I'll be going live tomorrow, April 8th, 2022 at 2 o'clock my time. I'm in Michigan, and all of Michigan has the same time zone. So John came home from getting my oil changed and he said, your packages are here, and here they are. Are you ready to open them? I am so ready. It's like I got another birthday present. Also, what he gave me for my birthday was a lemon tree that I'm gonna grow in my house. His name is Lorenzo, the lemon tree. He is potted. He seems to be okay at this point, but he's like still in that shocked thing when you pot, you know, and ship a plant in the dark. It's a lot for poor Lorenzo. So cross your fingers. And if you've ever grown citrus in zone 5, we are close to zone 6. But if you've ever grown citrus inside in zone 5, I'd love to hear your tips. Oh, I almost forgot. In case you're wondering why I have 2 of these. So Paradise sends one for me to open on my channel and show to you guys. And then I buy one and I give it away to one of you. So at the end of this video, I will be giving away the March 2022 package, the extra package that I didn't open. At the end, stay and someone will be drawn to win this. And then also, if you want to win the extra one of these, all you have to do is make a comment on this video or any other video until the next one shows up, and then I'll pick a winner for this one. I hope that makes sense. I'm not sure if I ever make sense, to be honest. But anyway, all right, let's get one of these open. I really want to see it. The last 2 have been extremely colorful, so I'm guessing this one will be a little less so, but I guess we'll see. And I know I freak you guys out thinking I might cut something in the bag, so I just cut a little corner now and then rip it open. All right, so let's take out the cards. Oh, gradient spinning. Interesting. Okay. Oh, it's all about Cottagecore. I have to say this blue is one of my most favorite colors on the whole planet. It says featuring new blends inspired by countryside romanticism. Well, okay, so I don't know if oh yeah, looks like we're getting both. This shows what's in your bag whenever you get it. There is also a discount for people who are part of the Fiber Club, so I always want to make sure I say that. And also, if you see this and you love it and you want your own, there is a link below. It's an affiliate link, so it helps my channel. Okay, so also they gave a suggestion of something that's really pretty to make with this. It is so pretty, called the Odyssey shawl. I'm not really a shawl person, although I do knit them. I don't really end up wearing them, but isn't that really pretty? And then looks like there is some like a kind of a suggestion on how you could spin these if you wanted to. Okay, so let's get into this package. I'm ready. I have to set myself up so I have my little info here. Oh, okay, I love this. Let's see. This one is called Cherry Blossom. I can totally see why. You can see how cherry blossomy this really is. Oh gosh, it's so pretty. It says shades of plum, rose, and magenta viscose tweed naps are dappled on a white base with smatterings of soft pink in the spring cherry blossom inspired blend. 75% 23 micron merino wool top and 25% viscose tweed neps. So we have spun stuff with these neps before. There was a pumpkin spice blend, and then also there were a couple blends last fall. One of them was like mums, and one of them, I can't remember what the other one was supposed to be. It was something green and blue with these viscose neps. I love them. So that's gonna be fun. I love the texture from those. It is so pretty. Okay, so we'll set that aside. It's also really soft. Okay, now this one is a blend of theirs called, I want to take it out before I say the name. Okay, so this blend is called Tea and Crumpets, and you can see that there is a good amount of, I think it is iridescent Angelina or Stellina. It's very pretty. Maybe it's silver. Nope, it's silver, I think. We'll know in a minute, right? Glitter. It just says glitter Stellina. Okay. So there is like pink, there's a little bit of orange, some kind of chartreuse. I'm seeing white, glitter Stellina, like I said, just kind of like rose pinks, a couple different pinks, I think. Oh, that looks like it might be silk. All right, we better just read it. Let's see. Kitten Nose Pink, Warm Marigold, Robin's Egg Blue, and Shimmering White in this Tea Time at Golden Hour inspired blend. 60% 23 micron merino wool top, 25% tencel, 10% sari silk, so that is silk, yes, and 5% glitter Stellina. Wow, even 5% is quite a good amount of Stellina. So that'll be fun to spin. I think I will like to spin this exactly the way it is, but maybe from the fold, we'll see how it goes. Very, very pretty. But the sparkle is still not like super overwhelming. The Stellina is like a smaller fiber, and I swear I can't feel it. I don't know if anybody else feels like they can feel it, but I do not think I can feel it. Okay, so there's a Notions bag. Let's move this. All right, so one pewter Herdwick vinyl sheep sticker. Look how cute. She's wearing a shawl. She's cute. I'm loving this one. I don't know why. I think it's the face is a little bit more realistic. It's really, really cute. One elderflower citrus stash tea. I cannot ever smell it. I don't know why I smell it. I can't, but that's really fun. I don't know what elderflower tastes like. I know what elderberry tastes like. One miniature floral print book. Oh my gosh, stitch marker / progress keeper. Oh, look, it's like a tiny little cute journal. Look how cute that is. Oh my goodness. That's adorable. It's a real book. Wait a minute. Yes, it's a real book. You could actually use that paper, although you know I won't because I'll want to keep it perfect. And then one, ooh, how nice. One metal shawl buckle. So you're probably like, Trish, why are you putting your hand like that? It's to give it something to focus on because the buckle is airy kind of. Look how pretty that is. That's really nice. Awesome. Okay, so the first one was March 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's not as many this month. Okay, so there's 5. Okay, so number 2. So that will be the weaving video with the hero cowl. Let me grab a link for it. And then go to random comment picker. I guess I didn't wait long enough. Alice, you win! All you have to do to claim your prize is email me your snail mail address at fiberloveddiary@gmail.com and I will get it out for you in the next couple of days. It's usually the next working day, but sometimes it's the second. So congratulations, and I will see you guys soon. So thank you, Paradise. I am very excited to spin these pink springy blends. We don't really have any flowers yet, but my daffodils will be here any day, and it was very fun to get them on my birthday. So I appreciate you guys. I'm so glad to have you here with me today, and I will see you guys tomorrow for the live where I'll pick the winner. And after that, I will be live on Sunday for our normal crafting group. Thanks. I love you. Bye.